Congratulations to Bingle for picking up the cheapest car insurer. Now, you're a new entry into the Best of the Best awards. Tell us a little bit about Bingle.
Bingle is a low-cost, affordable, good value for money insurer. Essentially what that means, we have a model that's completely 100% online, so any savings that we make, we can pass on to our customers.
So we did open the awards to include online, and that's how you have entered, so it's completely online. If you're comfortable with that, we're very happy with your premiums. Now, one thing, I've got a teenager coming into the years of driving, a little way off. I'm so nervous with her taking the family car out. How can a 25-year-old reduce their premiums?
It is difficult for a 25-year-old to find or under 25-year-old to find affordable insurance, and that's essentially because they are in a higher risk category. But we are very aware of the fact that it's that stage of life where you might be on a budget, so it's important to find ways to save on your premium. There are a number of ways that people can do that. The first is finding a car that's relatively low power. It's relatively new-ish, so anything from, say, 2011 onwards, and also something that's got reliable features like safety and hasn't got any sort of modifications. So that is really well regarded when you're looking for insurance from Bingle. Having a good driving record can also have a dramatic effect on your premiums. Essentially, this means that if you're a good driver, you've got a good, clean driving record and you're less likely to have an accident. So that's probably one of the first areas that you can look at, and just to make sure that you keep being a good driver.
So the car and drive safely.
There are two other things that also factor in. If you're using your car not as often as you would like, or not as often, say, driving to work, that also has a factor. The less you drive, the more you can save. And loyalty also comes into it as well. Loyalty does count when it comes to Bingle, and most of our customers will find that you can save up to $50 to $100 a year if you keep renewing with us.
That's great. The insurance policies are of great value, and that's why you're taking out this award. But sometimes cheapest is not always the best. But I know with your policies, you do have some added value, obviously, in what you're covered for. What are some unusual ones that you have?
Not so much unusual, but what we've done with Bingle is we're removing those bells and whistles that a lot of people who want simple and comprehensive car insurance may not necessarily use, and therefore, why should they have to pay for it?
Great. Thanks. Congratulations again.
Thank you.